My cousin removed the stains from her face forever in as little as 3 nights. This time we bring some low-cost tricks to eliminate those spots on the face that causes us the sun, and is nothing more and nothing less than with the potato. This is known in the gastronomy in delicious dishes, but also in the area of the beauty by its power to equal the tone of the skin and bleacher. Besides that, you can apply it cold to calm the irritations. Some benefits of potato skin: helps to deflate the bags under the eyes, lightens and removes stains, moisturizes and nourishes the skin deeply, disinflames the tissues of the face, prevents aging, reduces acne. Here are some masks with potatoes. 1. Pope or potato with lemon. Blend the potato and make half a lemon juice. Apply on the face for 15 minutes and wash with plenty of water. 2. Potato or potato and onion. Liqueous half an onion and a whole potato. The juice you apply it in the affected zone by 10 minutes and rinses with abundant water. 3. Potato or potato with cucumber. Blend the potato with half a cucumber, juice it for 20 minutes and wash with cold water. 4. Potato or potato with carrot. Mix the potato with carrot, the liqueurs and also apply it for 25 minutes and remove with plenty of water.